Everywhere I go, I travel with my water bottle because it's really important that I fuel my body with the stuff that's good for me. So it's really important.
Just to appreciate that you've got it whenever you want it.
Would taking a cold shower help?
Will soap the dish. I will, turn the tap off, soap the dish, and when I'm ready to rinse it off, turn it back on.
I use my water bottle instead of purchasing the plastic bottles, and I go to the water fountain to restock.
We have really great water, and I think we just take for granted what we have.